Hey everybody, I'm Bubba and welcome back to my studio. Today, I'm gonna teach you how to draw a chili pepper. So grab a paper and something to draw with and let's get started. Okay, we're gonna draw the big shapes first. So let's start up top like this. Let's leave a little space and draw all the way around like that. And then back up just like that. Let's do a shape like this. Once you have this shape, we're gonna move back up to the top and draw a stem. So up, and around, and then a couple lines like that top. And there we have our pepper. Now to make this a character, let's give it some eyes. So let's move in and draw a round eye like that right there. And then another one on this side, and two lines underneath. There, that's perfect. Let's finish our eyes by filling in the pupils. And then add some eyebrows above the eyes. Perfect, that looks great. Now maybe a highlight on the pepper over here. And then move down and let's add a mouth. So we'll do a smiley. Another line to finish that shape, and then a tongue inside. Once we have the tongue, let's fill in this shape all the way there. And there, we have a mouth. Let's add a line under the chin, maybe one more line over here on the smile. Let's give our pepper some arms and legs now. Let's do a round shape there, a round shape there for our legs. And then two arms coming out here on the side. Perfect, and a couple details. And there we have a chili pepper. Okay, let's do one more, this time a grumpy chili pepper. We'll come on the side and we'll do the same thing. So we're gonna start with a line and then come around. And this time I'm gonna kind of make my chili pepper a little bit more bumpy and grumpy. Maybe even add some bumps around. Perfect. Next, let's add the stem up top. And a line to close it off. And there we have our shape. So let's move inside and add the eyes now. We'll do a straight line. And then two rounded lines underneath. Just like that, perfect. Couple lines under the eyes. And then we're gonna add pupils looking up. Good job. Now let's give our pepper a grumpy mouth, like this. Yeah. And then another line going up and down like that. A couple of creases down below the mouth because it's pulling, it's frowning. And don't forget the grumpy teeth. And a tongue. Perfect. Now, let's give this grumpy pepper some arms and legs. We'll come out one right here, and then some legs underneath, like that. To finish off our pepper, let's give him some hair. And just a few more details around the body. There, perfect. Now we have a grumpy chili pepper. Yay! Good job. You did a really good job following along with me today. I'm so proud of you. Come back soon and we'll draw more characters. Bye!
If you haven't yet, please support me by subscribing to my channel. Also, visit YayBubbaDraws.com and sign up for my newsletter. There, you will be able to download free coloring books, hear about awesome art challenges, and win prizes. See you next time. Bye!